Yo guys, 900k free coins in my Flickreels app. I want to say this is not any hack. This is possible thanks to our sponsors who are very generous because they were able to buy huge packages of coins for this app. So I make sure my power saving mode is turned off. Same thing applies for iPhone users. Alright, now I'm opening my Flickreels app to show you how's the situation, and as you can see, not the greatest one, but we're going to change that as soon as possible. Firstly, I'm opening my browser and go to ontweak.com, make sure it's the .com one, then I search for Flickreels to find it easier, then tap on these extra buttons. Here, I'm simply selecting Android and I'm going with the max amount of coins, of course. As I've already mentioned, guys, these packages of resources are given by our awesome sponsors and they ask you to do an additional step in order to receive them. But don't worry about this because this step is very easy, it's all free, and it will only take you a few minutes to complete. And look what we have here, guys. As you can see, the coins are here in my Flickreels app. I'll put my finger above so you can see this is for real. Hope you guys enjoyed this method, and please don't forget to smash that like button and even hit the subscribe one too if you wish. I hope you have a great day.